Welcome everyone to the world famous Harley-Davidson of Brandon. Today I've got for you this wonderful brand new 2014 Tri-Glide. The Tri-Glide starts out front with the new 49mm front forks that are lengthened and raked out for added stability, the 6-piston Brembo calipers, the new low-profile front fender, and the floating rotors. We move back to the color match lower fairings that house the radiators and the fans for the twin-cooled, high-output 1690cc twin-cam engine with 6-speed transmission, the full-size rider and passenger floorboards, heat shields, and a full set of matching mag wheels. We've got the additional chrome bumper protecting the trunk with the 4.4 cubic feet of storage space, tons of room, couple helmets, riding gear, boots, anything like that. We have the King Tour Pack up top with the new hinges and one-touch latches, extended passenger area, chrome grab handles, and the 2-up seat, 6-gallon fuel tank. Out front we got the all-new Slipstream Batwing Ferry with the Boom Audio 6.5 GT infotainment center with jukebox media compartment to add any type of music device. We got hydraulic clutch, electric reverse, the all-new redesigned parking brake, security, cruise control, intercom, hydraulically linked braking system, Daymaker LED headlamp out front, and the Slipstream air vent to reduce head buffering for the rider. We finance new Harley-Davidsons up to 84 months. Be sure to ask about our Fly and Ride program, and this bike comes stock with a 2-year limited mile warranty. We extend it out for another 5 years on top of that. Here at the world famous Harley-Davidson of Brandon, all our bikes are fully serviced and safety inspected. We take anything on trade, import motorcycles, cars, campers, trailers, boats, RVs, you name it, we take it as long as we don't have to feed it. We are rated #1 customer service and have over 1,200 new and previously enjoyed motorcycles for you to choose from. So for more information on Tri-Glide, click the link below, and to view the rest of our alluring inventory, visit us at hdflorida.com, where we're always open 24/7. And remember, have one rockin', smoking, adrenaline-filled Harley day.